welcome back to my channel. For those that are new, welcome. Hey guys, so today's video is going to be a makeup get ready with me, of course, but the thing is I don't know what kind of look I want to create. So I was thinking about going in with the Juvia's Place Walhalla palette to create a look. If you're wondering how I do that, please continue on watching. Okay guys, I'm getting ready to go in with the NYX Professional Makeup Micro Brow Pencil. I have my little mirror here to see what I'm doing. So I'm getting ready to go in with that right now. I'm about to go in with the e.l.f. 16-Hour Camo Concealer. Okay, next I'm about to go in with the P. Louise eyeshadow base. Next, I'm going in with the Juvia's Place Walhalla. I'm going to go in with this shade here. It's very beautiful. I love it. Look how that looks, guys. That looks amazing, right? The next shade I'm thinking about trying is this deep dark brown right here. Let's try that. I think that looks really nice. Now I'm getting ready to go back in with this shade for the top. Now I'm getting ready to go back in with this shade. Okay, now that I've done that, I think that I want to do a cut crease, but I think I want to use this gold. That would be nice. Let's go in with that. Let's try that. Let's try that. Let's try that gold cut crease. To achieve that cut crease, I'm going back in with the e.l.f. 16-Hour Camo Concealer.
been a hotter. I've 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 been a hotter.
Okay guys, now I'm getting ready to go in with the NYX glitter primer.
I've been a hotter. 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 I've been a hotter.
Okay, next I'm about to go in with these lashes.
I've been a hotter. 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 I've been a
Now I'm getting ready to use the oil-free gel moisturizer Daily Greens by Pharmacy.
I've been a hotter.
I'm also going to use the Paula's Choice moisturizer.
I've been a hotter. I've been a hotter. I've been a hotter.
Now I'm getting ready to go in with the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer.
I've been a hotter.
Now I'm getting ready to go in with the NYX Born to Glow in the shade Mahogany Foundation.
I've been a hotter. I've been a hotter. I've been a hotter. I've been a hotter.
Okay, now I'm going in with the NYX HD Studio Concealer in the shade Nutmeg.
I've been a hotter. I've been a hotter. I've been a hotter. I've been a hotter. I've been a hotter.
Now I'm going to go in with the NYX Beauty Blender to blend out my under eyes.
I've been a hotter. I've been a hotter.
Now I'm getting ready to go in with the Laura Mercier setting powder to set my under eyes.
I've been a hotter. I've been a hotter. I've been a hotter.
Okay, now I'm getting ready to go in with the Juvia's Place Bronzed Bronzy.
I've been a hotter. 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 I've been a hotter.
Okay, now I'm getting ready to go in to dust the powder off. Okay, now I'm getting ready to go in with the ColourPop blush in the shade Just Plain. And this is what it looks like. It's red. And this is the back of it. Now I'm about to go back into this palette for my under eyes. I'm thinking of using the brown. I think I should use the brown. Should I use the brown? Let's use the brown. Next, I'm going in with the NYX matte lip pencil in the shade Downtown Beauty. Next, I'm going in with this NYX lipstick in the shade La Mood. Okay guys, this is the complete look. If you guys like this, please let me know. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe on this channel. And I can't wait to see you in my next video. Also, if you guys have tried this look out, please comment below and let me know if you guys did. I would love to know. Thank you for tuning in, and I can't wait to see you in my next video. Bye.